Homegirl Lovely right there. You can check her out on the Miss Lady Pink's new music video. What's the name of it? Bitches. Yeah, Bitches. So show the homegirl love and yeah, watch the fucking video. Oh yeah, PS. My fucking homeboys. Fucking Southside Demon coming out with a new album really soon.
Yeah, looking at my shit right now. Be out fucking 2011. Look out for that shit. I'm coming with that shit sick. I'm doing all the bullshit, you know what I'm saying?
If you're looking for a homeboy with, you know, good rapping skills, you know, original beats, you know, some fucking sick ass raw fucking lyrics, you know, go skip the homie fucking Demon and shit. Best Buy, FYE.
If you want to.
No matter. What up, Pink?
Always holding it down. Now, who is the realest? I just tell it like it is. They got you gotta rap all the shame.
Hey, Grumpy.
Hey, Grumpy! Hey, go to the back. Hungry hell!
What's up, Script Low?
Right here in Vegas, homie, 2010, 2011. Smashing, just got off stage and shit with the homie Capone-e and shit. Just fucking got a good outcome, homie, like fucking 40,000 people and shit.
Give me a blue.
Hold up. For what?
Give me a blue. Fuck you. Blue? Yeah. Blue. Very high power gang right here.
Motherfucking homeboy Psycho right here, you know?
805. Fucking we're trying to stay alive.
That's fucking.
Motherfucking homeboy Psycho, you know? Fucking crazy motherfucker out here and shit. Putting it down from 805 all the way to Las Vegas and shit. Ripping that south side, homeboy.
That's right. Barrio La Colonia, chicken gang. Hard to stay alive now.
That's right, homie. Fuck the bus, you know?
Minutes at? Minutes. Hey, trade me a CD. Trade me one. Check out all the fans out here now showing fucking high powered love. Stop love.
Yeah.
Get your hot power music! I got the dedicated to the homies. Mr. Capone, go get a double disc. 50 bucks. Hey, get a sign.